Twitch streamer Dylan Rudeism Beck set the internet abuzz with his DIY controller for the Untitled Goose Game. Because, obviously, the best way to play a game about an annoying goose is to dress up as said goose. For his next act, Dylan set his sights on something the internet loves even more than aggressive waterfowl, and that would be Star Wars. He's built a motion-controlled lightsaber and a force glove that works with the new Star Wars game, Jedi Fallen Order. Unlike the Padawans of old who searched for kyber crystals to build their first lightsabers, as part of their training, Beck got his from a friend. He took a lightsaber toy big enough to fit the electronics, then installed LEDs that light up when you flick out the blade, along with some thumbsticks, a D-pad, and buttons for jumping, dodging, and so on. The motion sensor detects swings and deactivates when the blade is retracted. The whole thing costs less than $40 in materials, but it costs a lot more time all told, according to Beck. The best part of all this is that it seems to play pretty well, too, though it no doubt takes some getting used to. Beck says that while input lag is manageable, the ergonomics of the lightsaber leave a lot to be desired. However, he did manage to take out the second boss with his creation, so we're counting this one in the win column. While we're hoping a manufacturer sees this idea and runs with it, and, compensates Beck fairly for his idea, we're just excited to see what he does next. Beck says he still plans on making improvements to the lightsaber setup, but we're already thinking about what his next target might be. Web-slinger controls for Spider-Man, or maybe just a FedEx box you can carry around while playing Death Stranding? We shall see. Stay tuned to Engadget as we explore the new streaming wars, and be sure to check out our latest podcast episode around this too. If you dug this video, be sure to like and subscribe. We will see you tomorrow.